Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to hold your nets together with a gum. So if this is what you love to learn, please watch to the end. Yes, so get your nets. This is the back side of the net I'm using. So I'm using uhu gum in this one. Just apply a little to all the sides. That's, let's call those places the seam allowances. Then place your net on it. I use 3 layers of net here. Place the second one, then place the third one. I place the third one under the first one because there, it's a net, so gums are definitely spilling out from underneath. Then just use your hand and hit it, and there you have it, as firm as possible, as firm as possible. Then this is the other back side. I used this gum and it was kind of frustrating, so if you ask me the best gum to use, I'll tell you uhu gum. You see how I was squeezing and squeezing for the gum to come, and this one even took me time to arrange. The gum wasn't coming out. It was messing up the net. So if you'd like to try this, just go ahead with your uhu gum. Just a pop, it just goes round the same lines, and there you have it. Super easy. You don't need to sew. Sewing is going to be stressful, so this is a very super easy breezy method. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. Thank you for watching.